Hi guys, ako nga pala si Lindon. Tawagin niyo lang akong Don. Ngayon, magsasolve tayo ng isang problem na nag-involve ng rectilinear translation involved sa case 3, yung vertical. Yung book pala natin is yung kay Gilius Senyas. If correct me if I'm wrong lang. At so, solve natin itong problem 4.8. So, solve natin. So, basahin muna natin. An open tank containing oil with SG of 0.8 is accelerated vertically at 8 meters per second squared. So, yan yung acceleration natin. So, isulat natin yung given. So, problem 4.8 para hindi tayo malito. So, 4.8 na lang para mas madali. So, accelerated vertically. So, acceleration is 8 meters per second squared. So determine the pressure 3 meters below the surface if the motion is upward. A is upward with a positive acceleration. So take note that ito always guys. B, upward with a negative acceleration. C, downward with a positive acceleration. And D, downward with a negative acceleration. So huwag muna natin ito pansinin yung solution. Check na lang natin yan if tama yung sagot natin. So kunin natin yung height, which is 3 meters. 3 meters. So, sulat natin yung questions. Letter A, upward with a positive acceleration. Positive A. Letter B, upward naman if tapos may negative acceleration. Letter C. So, downward with a positive acceleration. A is for acceleration guys and D is downward with a negative acceleration. So dapat natin tandaan yung formula ng vertical na sa rectilinear sa fluid mechanics. Ang formula niyan ay pressure is equal to gamma H multiplied by 1 plus or minus. Sulat natin ng maayos. Plus or minus acceleration over G. If gusto nyo itong malaman paano ito derive, tingnan na lang yung ibang videos or basahin mo itong book na to kay Gilius Senyas kasi napakagandang libro ito para sa fluid mechanics. So, alam naman natin yung SG natin, yung liquid pala natin is oil. So, sulat natin yan sa ating given. Dito, SG of oil is equal to 0.8. So, gamit niyan, malalaman natin yung gamma. Tapos, meron tayong height. So, meron dito, para dito. Tapos, meron naman tayong height, check. Alam naman natin yung acceleration at yung gravity. So, with that, pwede na natin itong solve. So, simula tayo sa A. Part A. So, sabi dyan, upward. Tapos, positive acceleration. So, A, kopyahin muna natin ito. Pressure is gamma H. Ito yung palagi nyong tandaan guys. If nagsasolve kayo at tamad kayo mag-memorize ng formula, before nyo i-solve yung problem, palagi nyo itong isusulat. Palagi talaga, every problem, every letter. Kasi as time goes by, matututo na kayo niyan. Like, remember nyo na ng mabilis kasi parang memory, graphic memory or muscle memory. Basta lahat ng memory. So, pressure, alam natin yung gamma, is 0.8 simula sa SG ng oil times 9.81. Tandaan nyo, ito ay kilonewtons times height. Height natin na 3 meters. Tapos yung ito na term, 1. So dito natin ito magamit guys. Tandaan natin, if upward yung motion, ang gagamitin natin dito is plus. Tapos, if downward naman, itong downward motion, ang gagamitin natin is minus. So, since sinabi sa part A na ang motion natin is upward, so plus ang atin gagamitin. At nakastate din sa part A na positive ang ating acceleration. So, isulat lang natin, plus 8 over 9.81. And calculate natin yan. Pressure is equals to 0.8 times 9.81 times 3 times parenthesis 1 plus so 8, positive 8. Positive to guys kasi upward. Tsaka 9.81. So 40 ang answer dyan is 42.74, which is tama naman dito. So check. Sulat natin. Part A is 42.744 kilopascals. Highlight lang natin. Part B. Part B. So, upward, this time, negative yung acceleration. So, again, sulat natin yung formula. I-green natin para malaman talaga natin na yan yung formula. So, pressure is equals to gamma H multiplied by 1 plus or minus acceleration over G. Acceleration over gravity. Yun lang. Easy. So, again, sulat natin. Gamma is SG of oil times SG of water. This is all in kilonewtons. Kaya meron tayong kilo Pascal. Very good. So, H natin is 3 meters ulit. Lahat ito. So, 1. So, this time guys, upward pa rin. Upward pa rin, di ba? So, plus. 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 So, plus ito. Ngunit, sa acceleration natin is nakalagay nga negative acceleration. So, dalhin natin yan dito sa ating acceleration. Acceleration natin is 8. So, negative 8 over G, which is 9.81. So, pressure, solve natin ulit. So, same lang ito, 0.8 times 0.981. 3, 1, lagyan na lang natin to ng negative sign. Ito. So, 4.34, which is tama. So, sulat natin. Pressure is equals to 4.344 kilopascals. Diba? Madali lang. Madali lang yung fluid mechanics. Emerald, tinitake ko pa lang to guys ngayon. Sa TUP Visayas ako nag-aaral ngayon. Try ko lang tong tutorial if pumatok sa YouTube or hindi. So, letter C. Ano yung letter C? Kopyahin lang natin to guys. Ito. C. Copy. Paste. Overlay lang natin yung C. So, downward naman. Downward with a positive acceleration. So, ulit. Formula. Gamma H times 1 plus or minus AG. So, gamma. Alam natin yan, 0.82 times 9.81 multiplied by height, which is 3 meters. 1. So, this time guys, kasi alam natin yung downward, ang gagamitin natin dito sa dalawa is yung negative. Bakit? Kasi downward motion nga. Sinabi dito sa part C, downward with the positive acceleration. So, lagay natin dito sa ating equation, 1 minus positive acceleration, positive 8 over 9.81. So, P, kapag ito yung nilabas ng teacher niyo, automatic, may 3 points na kayo, 5 points kunyari, may 3 fourths na kayo ng 5, doon, tumpak, pasado na tayo guys. So, same lang to ulit. Tinanggal ko lang yung negative sign dito kasi positive yung acceleration. Palitan natin to ng minus. Yun. So, answer ng part C is 4.34. Same dito, 4.34 pressure. 4.34 kilopascal. Oops, naka-laser. Kang tanggalin natin. Equals to 4.34 kilopascal. Highlight. So, part D. Last. part D. So, kupihin natin to. Downward motion with a negative acceleration. Paste. So, sa walang kasawaan, dapat ito palagi yung pinapractice natin. Dapat hindi tayo magsawa na sumulat ng formula. So, gamma H is equals to 1 plus or minus A over G. So, gamma natin is 0.82 times 9.81. Height ng water, basta yung height, 3 meters. So, 1, pati ito nakakulay green. White lang natin para alam natin ito yung working solution natin. So, downward ulit, minus, dito tayo mag-take note. Negative acceleration. I-carry natin yan palagi. Kahit negative sign man to, kahit negative, positive, or kahit ano. Basta downward, basta sinabing negative yung acceleration, ano pa ang mga words ng negative acceleration? Decelerating, continuous until it stops. Basta yung decelerate, negative yung acceleration, guys, ha? Take note lang. So, negative 8 over 9.81. Anong mangyayari dito? Magiging positive. So, negative pa to. Negative. And lagyan lang natin ng negative sign. At yun, pressure natin sa part D is 42.744 kilo Pascal. Highlight kasi final answer. And check. Oops, sorry. Sorry guys. And check natin tama ang answer natin. Sorry dun. So ito, 42 kilopascals, same dito sa part D. At yun lang. Ito yung working solution natin. Problem 4.8. Ito yung problem. If gusto nyo i-screenshot, screenshot nyo na lang. Ito 1, 2, 3. Salamat sa panonood. Sana bumalik kayo dito. Kasi if magpatok to guys, magtuturo ako palagi. Gusto ko maging teacher. So yun lang. Don, call me Don. And that's it. Bye-bye.